Kerala Higher Education Minister K.T. Jalil will be questioned again by the Customs Department. The department has served a notice on the minister asking him to be present at Customs Preventive Commissionerate in Kochi on Monday. He is expected to be quizzed by the department in the case related to the distribution of Holy Quran texts brought to Kerala from UAE through the diplomatic channel. The customs is of the view that there is a clear violation of law in distribution of religious scriptures brought through the diplomatic channel. The minister will be grilled to gain more clarity on the consignment of the holy texts. Customs Department had earlier constituted a team to conduct a preliminary probe into the issue. The probe team had found out that bringing copies of Quran through the diplomatic channel evading tax was a clear violation of law. The opposition had also alleged that Jalil's case shows a violation of Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Jalil had been questioned for several hours by the National Investigation Agency and the Enforcement Directorate in the past also, in connection with the gold smuggling case and the baggage of the holy texts. After receiving the customs notice, Jalil said that he would appear before the officials and explain to them what all had transpired, and he is only happy to tell the truth. Earlier, the minister had admitted that a consignment containing copies of Holy Quran had been received from the UAE consulate in Thiruvananthapuram, which a top customs official had referred to as prima facie violation of Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Officials had said Jalil was under the scanner after he allegedly claimed that the consignments brought to Thiruvananthapuram during Ramzan month contained Holy Quran for distribution in his constituency. The Quran texts that reached the state from UAE weighed 4,478 kg in total. This was distributed in Malappuram. The finding is also that distribution of the holy texts received through the diplomatic channel amounted to protocol violation. Customs points out that distributing items received through the diplomatic channel is unlawful. Besides the Quran textbooks, packets of dates weighing 17,000 kg were also brought to Kerala through the diplomatic channel for distribution. The diplomatic channel is used for the smooth transit of diplomats in the country, but Jalil and his aides have misused this facility, according to the officials. By the way, regarding the food kits he received, Jalil's explanation was that he had contacted gold smuggling case accused Swapna Suresh for food kits after the UAE Consulate General called him and informed about it. But Swapna's statement was that the minister himself had called her asking for 1,000 food kits. The customs has also questioned Jalil's personal assistant in Thiruvananthapuram and seized the minister's gunman's phone from his house in Malappuram. The gunman was questioned on Friday after the customs officers got the information that Jalil had used his gunman's phone. News Desk, Kaumudy English.